Now we'll discuss about ventricular ectopic. The ECG criteria are P is absent, QRS white more than 0.12 second, that is more than 3 small squares. T opposite to major deflection. So T is opposite to major deflection. Here is the ECG. We are seeing there is normal PQRST, there is abnormal QRS complex, where before the QRS complex the P is absent and this QRS complex is white, that is more than 3 small squares, and the two QRS complexes are similar in size and shape. So it is unifocal ventricular ectopic. Now, what are the types of ventricular ectopics? Ventricular ectopics may be of different types. Unifocal, it means similar configuration of ectopics in all leads and originates from a single ventricular focus. There is QRS is similar. Multifocal, variable configuration of ectopics in the same lead, because the ectopics originate from different focus of the ventricles. QRS variable. Interpolated ventricular ectopics, that is interpolated ventricular ectopics, it means when ventricular ectopics occur between two normal sinus beat without compensatory pause. It is usually associated with sinus bradycardia. Now the other types of ventricular ectopics: couplet, two ventricular ectopics in a row, that is multifocal. Triplet, three ventricular ectopics in a row, runs of ectopic. Three or more ventricular ectopics in a row may be taken as ventricular tachycardia. So three or more ventricular ectopics in a row may be taken as ventricular tachycardia. Ventricular bigeminy, every one normal beat followed by ventricular ectopic. Ventricular trigeminy, every two normal beats followed by ventricular ectopic. Ventricular quadrigeminy, every three normal beats followed by ventricular ectopic. Grouped ventricular ectopics, 2 to 5 consecutive ventricular ectopics, that is grouped ventricular ectopics. Here is the runs of ventricular ectopic. Here is 5 ventricular ectopics are present consecutively, so it is called runs of ventricular ectopics. So we should remember the following points. Ventricular ectopics originating in left ventricle resembles RBB pattern. Ventricular ectopics originating in right ventricle resembling LBBB pattern. Now, what is R on T phenomenon? It means R wave of ventricular ectopic occur on or near the peak of previous T wave. It is common in acute myocardial infarction, rare in other case. This is also called malignant ectopic, as it may induce ventricular fibrillation or ventricular tachycardia. That is called R on T phenomenon. How grading is done for ventricular ectopic? Grading is done according to the severity of ectopic. In acute myocardial infarction, Lowen classification is as follows: grade 1, no ventricular ectopic; grade 2, ventricular ectopics less than 30 per hour, not more than 1 per minute; grade 3, frequent ventricular ectopics, that is more than 30 per hour; grade 4A, couplet, 2 consecutive ventricular ectopics; grade 4B, repetitive 3 or more consecutive ventricular ectopics; 3 or more consecutive ventricular ectopics; grade 5, multiple ventricular ectopics or R on T. Multiple ventricular ectopics, R on T, is grade 5. How to treat ventricular ectopics? Treatment is as follows. In the absence of any heart disease and in asymptomatic case, no treatment is necessary. Beta blocker may be used. With organic heart disease, treatment of primary cause. Antiarrhythmic drug does not improve and may even worsen the prognosis. Now we should remember the following points. Ventricular ectopics may be found in normal people. Incidence increases with age. Ventricular ectopic in normal heart is prominent at rest. No treatment is necessary. Occasional beta blocker may be given for palpitation. Prognosis is good. Multifocal ventricular ectopics and also in pairs are always abnormal. say again I am telling multifocal ventricular ectopics and also in pairs are always abnormal, usually indicate serious myocardial disease. What are the causes of ventricular ectopic? The causes are normally in young adults, also in anxiety, excess caffeine, alcohol, acute myocardial infarction, myocarditis, cardiomyopathy, valvular heart disease, mitral valve prolapse, hypertensive heart disease, electrolyte imbalance, especially hypokalemia, digoxin toxicity, hypoxemia. Thank you, friends.